Bonfire night in Wales where you can't play Call of Duty because you keep disconnecting. I've disconnected loads of times now. Um, and when you don't want to buy fireworks because, fireworks are noisy and the dogs hate them, you have them going off in your fucking street. Like that. Like that. Jesus Christ. What we think happened is the firework hit our phone line. So, yeah, won't be playing Infinite Warfare anytime soon if that is the case. So, average Bonfire night in Wales. Dogs screaming and crying. I'm screaming and crying because I can't play Infinite Warfare. My head's screaming and crying because of the neighbours' fireworks. Bonfire night is absolute shit.